Hey, hey, hey. What's up, amigos? How you guys doing? Long time no see. I genuinely miss you guys a lot, and it's been a long time. There were many, many times that I thought about making a video, but for whatever reason, a few things happened that made me distasteful. Uh, One of them was like I was doing the one-on-one with one person, and it just left a bad taste. Uh, but more than that, it was I just had to focus on my trading, but there were many, many times that I wanted to reach out, make a video about the AMC capital structure, GME, the short squeeze, and I was literally going to post back in the first few times that AMC GME squeeze that I was like, I'm a short seller, but I'm with you guys. Fuck all these manipulated hedge funds that have the power to literally shut buying power for GME, AMC. We all know they were going to blow up, and there were so many videos I wanted to. One of the other perspective is, in my opinion, even now, like I've been itching to make it, but it's not. Even though we would love it to be retail, that's squeezing AMC, GME, EXPR. In my opinion, it's not. It's the institutions. Yeah, there was a lot of videos, a lot of things I wanted to talk about, but I did need to take some time off from my little helping situation here. And one of the other messed up things and weird things I found out is I was actually making videos on purpose in a bad way. I was making it 50 minutes, an hour, 60 minutes. First off, because I don't know how to edit. Number two was that it would have been something only to help people that are struggling. I was like, I don't give a shit about. I'm not gonna make money off this YouTube channel by any metrics at all. So I was like, let me just make it really big, really long, try to be as value added as possible, but make it bad enough so that only people that are extremely struggling would go and watch it. So that was a bit weird. I noticed that. I always knew about it, but I noticed it after I took a step back. So I'm like, I don't know if it's good or bad, um, but that's my intention of these videos. And now I just got some free time, and I want to be like, what do you guys want to see? What do you guys want to watch? Um, how can I help? I definitely do want to do the one-on-ones whenever I'm available, whenever I have time. It made a difference in my life seeing other people make it. A few times, few people reached out after saying, "This was awesome. Thank you for your help." And I was like, "Wow, yeah, that's very, very happy to hear that and see people progress." And a lot of other crazy shenanigan things happen. I may make a video on this. I don't know. I try not to be drama oriented, but Tradenet scammed me. They literally, they, oh, it's a video on its own, but it'll be something. If anybody's with Tradenet, CFD, whatever that stuff is, I was with them for a while because I didn't have to do the locates, and as a Canadian, it sucks. Uh, but apparently, if you make enough money, they'll find ways to scam you, and they found many, many ways to scam me. At the end, they blatantly scammed me. Anytime the platform went down, they kept my losses. Um, Out of the 6 to 10 times that it went down, they only refunded me once, and that was half. And when I took a win, uh, when the platform went down, and that's just a lucky coincidence. What happened is uh, they literally took away all the gains, and then when they took it away, they gave me new fills. Like they literally faked the fills. And thankfully, I had pictures of the thing and posted, and I was like, they're like, no, that's not what it was. They said something and changed. Anyway, a lot of shenanigans happened. There's a lot to talk about. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. Um, what, how would you benefit? My goal, if I can, is to have 2 videos a week. I don't know how or what time. In a perfect world, to be honest, if I could make a video that would be on daily basis, but something that, as selfish as it sounds, something that kind of helps me. Maybe my daily recap would be weird because I don't. Um, it's it would affect me, to be very blunt. It would affect me because sometimes, no matter how strong we think we are, like on the red days, there's people that constantly give you advice and things, and it's helpful, it's beneficial, but we don't want to be affected by it. So maybe a video of just what happened, an observation, and how I could move forward. I do that once a week or so. And the other thing that I wanted to talk about, and a lot of you guys are potentially interested in, is so if in the metrics of time that I couldn't post about AMC, GME, short squeeze, and all that stuff, there was I did post on my Twitter. If you guys are not following, Afghanrebel is quite a few times I had 1,000 gainer on on a few names, a few times, and I literally went through and I explained how I found it, um, like how I found it, how you guys can find it. Let me see. Oh yeah, this is the other thing that pissed the crap out of me. There was these guys that were saying AMC is gonna go to 100K, 200K. There's nothing wrong with it. Like anything is possible, but their logic was so bad. Their logic was horrible. Is I don't know how to say it nicely, but they didn't know what they were talking about. They were basically saying that they have 110 shares and it's going to go to 100K, and then they at that 100,000 per share they'll take off 1/3 or 1/6 and they'll keep the profit or something, and how they're going to make a difference in voting, and they'll change the company through by holding the stock and blah blah blah. Anyway, so that was the one short. There's a squeeze play that I posted on VXRT recently, and then this is the other. This is gonna, hopefully it's not gonna be a long video, but this is the other time. I don't remember what ticker this is, but I posted how to find short squeeze names. What option is this called from yesterday? A bit lucky. Um, is it second short squeeze AMC? So this went from 10, 20 cents to $2, went 2,000%. I don't remember what name this was. But the point is, I've caught these quite a few times. So this was 2,000% gainer. And obviously, you guys know 2,000% is a lot. And then the one from yesterday was 2,200% as well. This went up as high as 2,000. This is VXRT. I forgot what this one was. I'll figure it out. But I could make a video on this that would help you guys as well on this, how to play these. And I did go here. I try to always provide as much value as I can. I went through here how I found it, how I potentially find these, what are the steps, and how you guys can find it. And this is the dilution and AMC. And yeah, I miss you guys. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comment below. Follow. I don't know if I'm gonna have socials in other place else, but like interact with me. Tell me what you want to see. I want to do things to benefit you guys at the same time to benefit myself, because for selfish reasons also is that it helps me stay accountable. And yeah, uh, subscribe. That's so weird to say. Okay, subscribe and like put the notification bell on if you guys want to stay up to date. If not, no problem at all. Um, Give me feedback. Tell me what you liked, what you missed, what you want to see, and I'll happily see if I can do that. Have a wonderful weekend, guys.